This week's feast.
Galaxy Truffle Pasta. We're back making food from one of our favorite shows, OK KO.
So cute, guys. And all the food items are so innovative.
Yeah.
I feel like they're really creative. And it's so cute, and the characters are so awesome, and Beardo's so funny, and I like his accent.
I love his accent too.
What do you assume it is? Russian?
Russian, yeah, it sounds like Russian. I am Russian. I like to cook food.
And he's really good at making Galaxy Truffle Pasta.
Yeah, this episode's great. The reaction they have is amazing as well. So we followed along, tried to do our best to make a delicious version of what they made. And oh boy, we think you're gonna like it.
Yep, we think you're gonna be really proud. So maybe we should get started.
Yeah, we should definitely get started.
Yeah.
Let's go.
If we're gonna blow minds with the immense flavor profile of this pasta, let's add in the freshest ingredients and make it from scratch. Begin by bringing a pot of water to a boil and cooking your pasta. While that's going, dice your red onion and chop your fresh parsley as small as it gets and set aside. The smells already are making our bellies hungry. The sauce mixture begins with ricotta cheese, parmesan, truffle tapenade, an egg, butter, and some truffle salt on top to really get that flavor we desire. Mix this all up until it's as smooth as it gets, crack some pepper in for color and flavor, and set aside. Next in the pan, saute your garlic and onion together until the onions are translucent. Then add the sauce mixture in on top and simmer on low together for 5 minutes to let the taste seep throughout the pasta sauce. Once the pasta is done, drain the water and save a few tablespoons of it. Add some butter into the pasta along with the remaining water and watch as it melts and stirs together beautifully. Finally, add your pasta to the sauce, continuing to stir until the mixture is even throughout. Serve in a bowl, sprinkle some parsley on top. You can put some gold luster dust on top as well for that magical shine. And voila, let's be heroes together with these Galaxy Truffle noodles. They glimmer under the right light. You can smell it from a mile away and it will certainly satiate your appetite.
We're almost ready, Ash. There's just one ingredient that we've forgotten.
What's that one?
Love. And we're ready to dig on in.
Alrighty.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
I'm feeling golden.
Oh, Win! You're starting to sparkle!
I'm glittering.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, could you imagine just eating that did that to me? That's amazing.
Oh my gosh, that stuff, that luster dust is something else.
It definitely adds that sparkle that you want to show that what you've made is truly out of this world and out of this galaxy.
And it was delicious. Like,
it really
I'm not
was.
a huge truffle or cheese person, but, you know, this was nice.
I am definitely a pro truffle boy myself.
Oh man. Ooh, yeah.
It is
Get in
good.
there.
I love truffle oil.
I mean, they didn't even have to add that much. A little goes a long way, guys. That is what you need to know about truffle oil.
There is, however, a lot of luster dust on my face right now.
Oh my gosh.
That was not a little bit.
So, would you call this like an allergic reaction? Like in a good way?
In a good way, it's a reaction for sure. It's what happens when I eat something so delicious that I never even thought possible.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
You're like a galaxy truffle. You're shining so bright. I just love this little show so much. And
So
the food is so cute. Lighting nachos is one of my favorites.
Yeah, me too.
That is so sweet. It's so colorful. It's beautiful on camera. It was delicious. And now we have truffle pasta to add to that list of amazing recipes from OKKO. And I'm sure there's more. So let's
There
know
are.
what else we're missing.
But please let us know in the comments below what you want to see us make next on the show. We hope you make this. This was very tasty.
Very tasty, very simple, and I think that your families will actually enjoy it.
Absolutely.
I feel like this is one of those meals that you like whip up and people are like, oh my gosh, you're a real chef.
You can cook?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you can. You're gonna make everyone sparkle with delight at the same time.
Totally. The smiles are gonna be ding.
All right, thanks so much for watching, everybody.
Yep, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.